Welcome. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by constant LinkedIn notifications cluttering up your Gmail inbox, this quick guide will help you take back control. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to turn off Gmail notifications from LinkedIn with the most up-to-date method that works perfectly on mobile. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account that's receiving those LinkedIn emails. It's best to have a steady internet connection, but that's all you need. Next, scroll through your inbox until you find an email from LinkedIn. These usually have subject lines about new connection requests, messages, or job alerts. Don't open it just yet. A single tap on the preview to open the message is enough for the next step. Once the LinkedIn email is open, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. That's your options menu. Tap on the 3 dots to open a small drop-down list. From here, select the option that says unsubscribe or report spam, depending on what appears first. If you see unsubscribe, go ahead and tap it. Gmail will then ask for confirmation, just to make sure you really want to stop getting these emails. Confirm your choice, and you're done. You've successfully stopped LinkedIn from sending you those notification emails. If instead you choose report spam, Gmail will start automatically sending future LinkedIn messages to your spam folder, keeping your inbox tidy without you needing to lift a finger. From now on, you'll notice your Gmail feels a lot cleaner. No more alerts every time someone likes your post or sends a connection request. If you ever change your mind, you can always re-enable notifications directly through LinkedIn's email settings. That's it, a simple fix that saves you time and keeps your Gmail feed organized. If this helped you clean up your inbox, take a moment to explore other notifications you might not need.